how to use the 2D, 3D, and monitoring functions of the ACS930S controller. Next, I will demonstrate the ACS930S controller's 2D and 3D functions, as well as its customized monitoring features. First, let's take a look at the 3D function. As you can see, these are the side frames of the press brake. We input the 2D dimensions of the side frames. Once entered, it generates the complete 3D appearance of the side frames, including the ram. You can also see the 3D view of the ram. The ram is normally in this position, including the work table, which also has a 3D rendering effect. In this way, we get the entire bending simulation process, including collision warnings, all accurately simulated in a 1:1 ratio. After entering the 2D dimensions for the back gauge fingers, a 3D model is instantly generated. The clamps are also in 3D. This is the main view rendering. All 3D shapes can be freely edited. By entering the 2D dimensions, it automatically generates the 3D bending rendering. That was a brief introduction to the 2D and 3D functions. Now let's look at the powerful monitoring functions. We can customize power monitoring for customers who need it, oil temperature monitoring, and electrical cabinet temperature monitoring. You can see them in this chart, providing customized power monitoring for customers. For example, some customers' factory voltage is unstable. When the system detects unstable power, it actively intervenes in the machine's operation and triggers an alarm to warn you that the current voltage is abnormal, protecting our electrical components from damage. Similarly, if the electrical cabinet temperature is abnormal, it can also monitor it and issue an alarm. The temperature of the hydraulic oil tank can also be monitored. Monitoring combined with feedback, if there is any anomaly, the system will actively report it and tell you exactly where the problem is. Therefore, equipping the press brake with such a system gives you peace of mind. Even if the operator lacks experience, the system will actively help them identify issues, reducing potential risks during press brake operation.